Every AI provider has its own API format. OpenAI, Anthropic, Groq, a local Ollama model, each one different. LiteLLM fixes that with one proxy and one API format for all of them. In this video, you'll set up LiteLLM with Docker, connect multiple providers including a local model, and generate spending-capped keys for your team. First, create a project folder and one config file. Make a directory called LiteLLM Proxy and move into it. Inside, create LiteLLM config.yaml. This file lists every model LiteLLM can route to and which API key each one uses. Start with a single entry for GPT 5.2, pointing at your OpenAI key through an environment variable. Add a master key too. That's the admin key every request needs. Then create a .env file to hold your real secrets and add it to gitignore immediately. Committed API keys get harvested by bots within minutes. Next, start the proxy with Docker Compose. Create a Docker Compose file that pulls the official LiteLLM image, maps port 4000, and mounts your config file. Run Docker Compose up, in detached mode. The first pull takes a few minutes since the image is about 2 gigabytes. Check the logs. You're looking for application startup complete. Now test it. Curl the health endpoint first to confirm the proxy is alive. Then send a real chat completion request with your master key, asking for GPT 5.2. A working proxy returns a normal OpenAI format response. And here's the useful part. Any code using the OpenAI SDK works unchanged. Just point the base URL at localhost 4000 and swap in your master key. LangChain, LlamaIndex, the Vercel AI SDK, all of it just works. With the proxy running, add more providers. Add entries for Claude Sonnet and Groq's Llama model. Same structure, different provider prefix. You can even add a local Ollama model. Point LiteLLM at host.docker.internal, port 11434. Restart the proxy, and all three providers are available through the exact same endpoint. Last step, generate virtual keys for your team. Call the key generate endpoint with your master key. Set a model whitelist, a spending cap, and a reset period. LiteLLM hands back a new key. Give that to a developer and their spending is capped automatically. No shared master key floating around. That's a working LiteLLM proxy. One endpoint, multiple providers, budget-capped keys for your team. The full written guide covers 2 more things this video didn't: connecting Postgres for permanent cost tracking, and setting up automatic fallback between providers if one starts rate limiting you. Links in the description. And if you want daily updates on AI tools like this one, subscribe to our free newsletter. See you in the next one!